Time for a filter change on the Maxvac BB650. The filter light has come on telling me that the pre-filter needs changing, and I think it's a good opportunity to show you how much dust these filters collect. This is probably maybe a month, just over, of collecting invisible airborne dust. So this literally just collects stuff that you can't really see, the really fine stuff, and that's what it looks like after build up. And this is just the pre-filter. If you could feel the weight of that, there's a visible or physical difference. Well, there's both physical and visible difference between that and that. This is a new pre-filter ready to go in, pretty much transparent. And that's what they look like after about a month or so.